Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is BAE Systems unveils BlackThorn modular warhead for drones and missiles as Frankenburg selects it for Mark I air defense system. BAE Systems has unveiled BlackThorn, a new multi-role modular warhead designed for drones, missiles, autonomous platforms and uncrewed ground vehicles. The company said the system is intended to give customers a more flexible munition that can be integrated across different platforms. BlackThorn is designed for autonomous platforms, one-way effectors, counter-drone systems, missiles and uncrewed ground vehicles. BAE Systems said it is also intended for rapid manufacture at scale and low cost. The company said BlackThorn has been selected for integration into Frankenburg's Mark I short-range air defense missile. BAE described that selection as a sign of confidence in the emerging warhead capability. The integration follows a collaboration agreement signed by BAE Systems and Frankenburg earlier this year. It links BAE's warhead work with Frankenburg's focus on low-cost missile production. BlackThorn combines decades of expertise in warhead design, energetic materials and fusing with our proven experience in delivering high-volume munitions to demonstrate a new way of thinking about payloads for a range of platforms that meet the demands of the modern battlefield, said Scott Jameson, Managing Director of BAE Systems Maritime and Land Defense Solutions. This innovation provides an advanced, affordable solution that meets the evolving needs of our customers and delivers multi-role warheads for the next generation of attritable platforms, missiles, autonomous platforms and counter-drone capability at pace to stay ahead of emerging threats. BlackThorn is built as an adaptable and scalable system. BAE Systems said it includes 40mm, 70mm and 120mm warhead options that can be integrated across different platforms. Its modular architecture supports blast, fragmentation, multipurpose and anti-armor effects. The company said this provides a mission-ready payload without requiring multiple types of weapon systems. Frankenburg was founded to deliver affordable mass at the speed demanded by modern warfare, said Dan Hallett, Managing Director of Frankenburg Technologies UK. Our collaboration with BAE Systems brings together advanced UK warhead technology and low-cost missile manufacturing to create a scalable interceptor capability. Together, we are proving that effective air defense can be delivered quickly, at scale, and at a price point that enables mass deployment. The statement places BlackThorn inside a wider push for scalable air defense against fast-changing threats. BAE Systems said the warhead was developed on an accelerated schedule. The program used modeling, simulation and digital engineering before validation through a broad testing effort. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.